All right, Dr. Kells, we are here at Dr. Kells Weight Loss.
Yes.
Okay, so weight loss is a huge focus, obviously, here. It's everyone wants to be their best self, and you help them do that.
Yes.
What exactly is the program that you have that seems to be so successful? Because we've talked to several of your patients, we hear it all the time. So there is success here.
I thought it would be really cool to have an interview where we just talked, because usually we bring somebody on and we hear their amazing stories and people go, what is the program? Why does it work? So first of all, I want to say that I tried every diet out there, right? In order to lose 80 pounds and keep it off, I had to throw all that out the window. Had to quit buying magic bullets and the next vitamin and the next packaged food. And so I decided that I would do a grave disservice to people if I started another diet. So it works because we address the key components. And you're right, 65% of people want to lose weight right now. And you have a 70% higher success rate if you have coaches and trusted professionals. So we have to address the psychology. It's one thing that people need help with. We have to address the chemistry, the physiology, and you alluded to it earlier about why haven't other programs worked, right? Well, we have to address the chemistry, and we can delve into that a little bit, and then we have to address the behavioral, the physical. Well, like, what do I do? How do I shop? What do I, you know, how do I make a lifestyle out of this? Because people here keep their weight off.
Right. Without direction, it can be really hard. So to have, you know, a little push, I think is probably what helps a lot of the success, if I'm correct. So why would someone at home, you know, how can we encourage people at home who think that they stand out differently than others, that like this program won't work for them? Right. That's false.
Yes.
And why is that?
We don't help everybody. So if we feel strongly that we can't help you, we let you know that. But because we have such a diverse staff, registered dietitian, registered nurse, nutritionist, sports psychologist, we have certified health coaches. So because we have that, we're able to address and guide somebody through all those needs, right? And we deal with medical issues. So people are going, I have thyroid, I have diabetes, I have high blood pressure, and it really isn't safe and comfortable for them to do it on their own. So that's one of the reasons that people are out there saying nothing's worked, right? And you hear it time and time again from our people, nothing's worked. Well, unless we fix the chemistry and help you with all the rest of it, it's not going to work.
Right. That's the chemistry, psychology. I mean, it all fits in line together.
Yes.
What would you encourage, you know, others to kind of get involved? Like, how would you encourage others to get involved in this? Like, just to take that first step, take a leap of faith, do it.
Yeah. You know, it's awesome because we have a welcoming, non-judgmental, you know, environment with all walks of people. I love my team, and they're all shapes, sizes, ages, backgrounds, and we welcome people. So you come in and you spend an hour with us and find out, will it work? And is this the right program for me? And you meet with one of our nutritionists. And
do the programs vary on time frame? So what are some different ones?
Yeah, it's going to be based on age, how much you have to lose, what you can and can't eat, where's your nutrient gap, what sort of supplements. We've got all of these here because our body needs to be retrained, right? Our metabolism is not functioning, right? And people will say that, I went to 500 calories a day, I still can't lose weight. Well, that's because we have to reboot it.
Right.
And so it varies. So that's basically what sitting down with someone is going, all right, what are your goals? How do we help you meet them? And what does it look like?
And people have exceeded their goals with you. I mean, your patients, we're talking 60 pounds in 7 months and more. It's just insane. So it clearly works, which is so exciting. And I think everyone has to take that leap of faith.
It's a leap of faith on yourself, too. And it's coming in and it's no charge. Just meet with us.
Okay. So how can people find more information for that?
Well, the website's up on the screen, and it will say, there will be a button that says click here to schedule, or they just call the office and get an amazing, loving voice on the phone.
I love that. Well, thank you, Dr. Kells. I appreciate it.
Thanks, Kenny.
All right. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Kenny. For more information, all that you have to do is go to drkellsweightloss.com. And this segment has been sponsored by Dr. Kells Weight Loss. All right, guys, coming up after the break, we're going to be having some information that you don't want to miss, so stick with us.